Hey guys, this is Shonda Jones, the CEO and founder of LivBay Lash here in Las Vegas. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't yet already, go ahead and hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we're going to be going over Amazon's best products for traveling lash techs. So the first thing I want to talk about that's going to be your best friend as a lash tech, traveling of course, is a massage table. You can get a massage table from Amazon. The price range, just depending on durability, is going to be anywhere from $60 to $130. Most of them come with carrying cases, so it's going to be ideal for you. That's what I used to do when I was a traveling lash tech. Super compatible. Obviously, it just fits right into your trunk and you can easily sanitize it. For your massage tables, in order to make it a lot more comfortable, you can get a mattress topper off of Amazon. You just want to make sure that you have some type of sanitary cover on top of it so you can easily wash it or you can easily sanitize it. Another thing that goes hand in hand with your massage table is a saddle stool. You can also get that on Amazon. You obviously just want to make sure that it is adjustable along with your massage table so you and your client can be very comfortable. Some other go-tos for Amazon is your rolling cart. You can definitely get that off Amazon. If you are not comfortable with getting a rolly cart or maybe you have a smaller vehicle, you can also get a traveling mobile kit. That way you can store all of your supplies in it. It is a little bit more temperature controlled than just having it in some type of bag. Another thing you want to get off Amazon is tile storages. So just little kind of like Tupperware boxes you can get off there so that way your tiles are covered. It's required with every state board that every tile you have is covered unless you have one that you're working on. Some other items that you can get off Amazon that are must-haves are your Tweezers water bottle. It's great for your lash baths to carry your distilled water in. You can also get your Tweezers sterilizers off Amazon. They range anywhere from $15 to $30. You definitely want to keep that on hand so all of your tools are properly sterilized. A magnifying floor lamp is another item that you can purchase. They range anywhere from $40 to $80. It's amazing because it's portable. They also have little clip-on ones that actually will clip onto your massage table. The light isn't as bright, but it's definitely doable for mobile lash techs. The biggest thing with being a mobile lash tech is controlling your environment. Everyone's space is going to be different, so having a humidifier or a dehumidifier on hand, even a portable AC unit. There were so many times where I would go into people's homes to do their lashes and they have their settings, their AC, their heat on, and your glue will be acting up. So it's really crucial that you have these things on hand. They have smaller ones too that are pretty portable and easy to get into your vehicle and to transport. So those are also just some must-haves that you can grab. Everything that we just talked about can be found in the links below. They will definitely help you out as being a mobile lash tech. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a ton of value. Question for you is, what are your go-to items on Amazon besides LivBay? Go ahead and comment below. We hope to see you guys in the next video.